Every colossal wave begins its life as a mere whisper on the water's surface. Imagine a tranquil pond, undisturbed and serene. Now picture a single raindrop, cascading from the heavens and meeting the pond's surface with a gentle kiss. This simple interaction, this meeting of water and water, gives birth to a phenomenon both simple and complex: the ripple. This ripple, this tiny undulation in the water, is more than just a pretty pattern. It's a symphony of physics, a dance of energy and motion. When the raindrop hits the water, it transfers its energy, disturbing the calm surface and creating a series of concentric waves, expanding outward. This is the birth of a ripple. But a ripple is not just a ripple. It's a messenger, carrying the energy of the raindrop across the pond. It's a translator, converting the energy of a falling droplet into a visual spectacle. It's an artist, etching intricate patterns on the canvas of the water. And behind these ripples lie unseen forces. Forces that govern not just the birth of ripples but the formation of waves and tsunamis. Forces that dictate the dance of energy and motion in our vast oceans. But what unseen forces breathe life into these ripples? Like a slumbering giant stirred from its sleep, the calm sea transforms into powerful waves. This transformation, this awakening of waves, is a spectacle of nature that can be both awe-inspiring and terrifying. But what triggers this change? The answer is as simple as it is profound: wind. The invisible force that rustles leaves and cools our faces also has the power to stir the great oceans. As wind sweeps across the water, it exerts a drag on the surface, causing it to ripple. These ripples, then, interact with one another, growing, merging, and eventually forming what we recognize as waves. But not all waves are created equal. Their size and power depend on three key factors: wind speed, the duration of the wind, and the fetch, the distance over which the wind blows. The stronger the wind, the longer it blows, and the greater the fetch, the larger and more powerful the waves become. Imagine, if you will, the vast expanse of the ocean, unbroken by land. Over this great distance, winds have free rein to whip up the water into a frenzy, creating waves that can reach monstrous heights. It's no surprise, then, that the largest waves are often found in the open ocean, far from the calming influence of the land. But waves aren't just about raw power. There's an elegance, a rhythm to their motion. Each wave is a delicate balance of energy, transferring power from the wind to the water, and then back to the air as it breaks and crashes on the shore. And yet, there's a limit to this elegance. When waves reach a certain size, when their energy becomes too great, they can transform from beautiful to deadly. From the surfer's dream to the sailor's nightmare. From the rhythmic lullaby of the seaside to the roaring symphony of a stormy ocean. But when does this elegance turn into rage? When does the dance of the waves become a destructive force? That is a question that continues to captivate and challenge scientists, sailors, and sea lovers alike. In the ocean's abyss, when the earth convulses, water ascends into monstrous walls of destruction. This is the birthplace of tsunamis, one of the most awe-inspiring and terrifying phenomena that Mother Nature has to offer. Deep beneath the surface of the sea, where light hardly penetrates, the earth is alive and constantly moving. The colossal tectonic plates that shape our world grind and jostle against each other in a slow-motion dance that has been ongoing for billions of years. As these plates collide, they create immense pressure. When this pressure is suddenly released, it results in an earthquake. But when these earthquakes occur beneath the ocean, they instigate a chain reaction of epic proportions. The violent shaking of the seabed displaces enormous volumes of water, sending a series of ripples racing across the ocean's surface. These ripples, unlike those caused by a pebble, are not destined to fade away quietly. They gather strength and speed, growing into towering walls of water that we know as tsunamis. Imagine a wall of water as high as a 10-story building racing towards you at the speed of a commercial jet. It is an unstoppable force, carrying with it the raw, primal power of the earth itself. Tsunamis can travel across entire oceans, causing devastation thousands of miles away from their birthplace. Yet, despite their destructive power, tsunamis can also be strangely silent. Out in the open ocean, a tsunami is hardly noticeable, a gentle swell passing beneath the waves. It's only when these waves approach the shallower waters near the coast that they begin to rear up, growing in height and slowing in speed, until they crash onto the shore with unstoppable force. Tsunamis are not frequent occurrences, but when they do happen, they leave a lasting mark on our world. They reshape our coastlines, upend communities, and remind us of the raw power of nature. They are a testament to the incredible forces at work beneath our feet and beneath the waves. Yet, despite their ferocity, tsunamis are also a part of the natural order. They are born from the same tectonic forces that have shaped our world, carving out mountains and valleys, and laying the groundwork for life itself. They are a stark reminder of our place in this world, a world that is constantly changing and evolving. Tsunamis, nature's brute force that commands awe and fear. They are a testament to the power of the ocean, a power that is both terrifying and awe-inspiring. And as we delve deeper into the mysteries of our world, we are left with a profound respect for the raw, untamed power of nature. In the face of nature's might, humanity stands resilient. A testament to our indomitable spirit, we've turned the tide on tsunamis, transforming them from harbingers of destruction into opportunities for growth and innovation. Imagine the sea as a colossal, untamed beast. Our first instinct? Understand it, predict its moves. Enter the world of tsunami early warning systems, a blend of cutting-edge technology and relentless human tenacity. Sensors stationed deep beneath the water's surface like vigilant sentinels monitor for seismic activities. Upon detecting an underwater earthquake, these systems spring into action, sending alerts that can buy precious minutes, even hours, for those in the tsunami's path. But humanity's resilience doesn't stop at prediction and preparation. We've also learned to dance with the beast, to harness its raw energy. Engineers across the globe are developing technology to capture the kinetic energy of ocean waves and convert it to electricity. Imagine a world powered by the ceaseless rhythm of the sea. It's a bold, ambitious dream yet within our reach. Yet, as we master these technologies, we must remember that they are not weapons to conquer the sea, but tools to coexist with it. The ocean's power is immense, but so too is its fragility. As we harness its energy, we must also commit to its protection. Learning not just to predict and endure, but also to harness the boundless energy of our world's oceans. As we stand on the brink of this new era, let's remember that resilience is not just about survival, but also about respect and coexistence. In the grand tapestry of nature, every ripple tells a story. From the humble beginnings of a raindrop's kiss to the water's surface, to the raw power of titanic waves stirred by the winds, each wave is a testament to the ceaseless ebb and flow of life. And from these waves, the ocean's greatest fury is born, the tsunami, a monstrous wall of water that sweeps across the land with devastating force. Yet, in the face of such awe-inspiring power, we find our resilience. We learn, adapt, and grow stronger. We develop early warning systems to alert us to the danger. We practice drills to ensure our survival. And we even harness the ocean's boundless energy to power our lives. This is the story of humanity's dance with the ocean, a dance of respect, of awe, and of coexistence. But remember, this dance is a delicate one. The ocean, in all its majestic fury, demands our respect. It calls for us to protect and preserve it, to ensure its stories continue to be told. For the ocean's power is not just in its waves and tsunamis, but in the life it cradles, in the climate it regulates, and in the mysteries it still holds. As we ride these waves from serene ripples to savage tsunamis, vow to respect and protect the mighty oceans that cradle life itself.